Hey everyone, I'm Bria Macon, owner and senior event stylist for Macon Moments Event Planning and Design. Today I want to show you a fun and simple design idea that you can do at home, for the home, or for an event. We are going to be creating custom floral monograms that you could use for, again, anything such as home decor or for an upcoming event that you have. It's really simple and easy to do and cost effective. So I'm going to go through it step by step with you, and then I'm going to show you a finished product. So this is everything that you're going to need to make your custom floral monogram. I've gotten supplies for this project from various places. However, this is custom, so if there's a specific place that you want to purchase the items from to make your custom floral monogram, you can do that. But I will tell you what I did. So the first thing I did is I bought a monogram letter from Michael's. This particular one was only $1.97, and usually Michael's has coupons and stuff like that will bring the cost down as well. So you can get different sizes, but again, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna start small. I also bought some floral decals from Michael's. You can get these in all different colors. They're really cheap, only a couple of dollars. And I got some butterflies from Michael's as well. And again, you can get a pack of these for just a few bucks. Again, Michael's has coupons that you can use to lower that cost. I also get butterflies and dragonflies from the Dollar Tree as well. They have good ones. And then I got some filler flowers for Amazon. Amazon is always a great way to get different items that you might need for your arts and crafts or at-home projects. So the first thing that we are going to do, make sure that you have a glue gun, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks as well. I got mine from Michael's, and some scissors. So we're going to just lay the monogrammed letter out flat on a flat surface. It's probably best to put something up under it, such as cardboard, so you're not ruining your desks or floors. And we're just going to take the floral decal and then just put a little hot glue on the back of it. And then we're just gonna stick it right on the floral monogram letter. And we're gonna keep it there for maybe about 10 seconds until it dries. And then once that does, you can take another one. And again, these come in all different colors, so it doesn't have to be white or pink. And you're gonna put some more glue on there and place it on your letter. And again, hold it down for maybe about 10 seconds, make sure it dries. And you're gonna keep repeating this step until your letter is full. Once you're done, you're gonna have some maybe spaces of white that you'll need to fill so it doesn't show as much, and that's where the filler flowers come in. So if you have a filler flower and it has a little bit of plastic sticking out on the back, you'll want to make sure to cut that off as close as you can to the flower to create a flat surface. And then you're going to put a little glue on that as well. Be careful not to touch the glue while it's hot. And then you're going to stick that filler flower onto the letter as well, holding it down for about 10 seconds. And that also helps to create some dimension as well. The last thing that I like to do is create something special. In this case, I'm going to use a butterfly. This one comes with a wire, and you can just pull that right out, and you'll put a little glue on the back of that as well and place it where you want to. So this is the finished product. And as you can see, I have my filler flowers to create dimension and a couple of butterflies to make it a little bit more unique and personal. So again, this is something that you can do at home. It's really simple and easy to make. It's cost effective and it's fun. So there you have it, a fun and simple project that you can do at home that's cost effective. And you can use it for home decor, or you can use it for your next event. And again, if there is something that you want that's a little bit more elaborate, or it's more time consuming, a lot of times these letters can get really big and it can get a little much to do. Macon Moments will do that for you. So you can visit our website, www.maconmoments.com. But in the meantime, while we're in the house and we're finding projects to do, I think this might be a fun one for you to do, an easy one for you to do to get your feet wet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Be sure to check out our website, maconmoments.com, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest for more tips and inspiration to make all of your moments, both big and small, memorable.